Hello everyone, LAX Model Airport here, coming at you guys with another unboxing. Today I'll be doing a 2-model unboxing. As you can tell what this might be, here we go. Very excited myself. So first we have the brand new United Airlines 767-400ER from Gemini Jets. 2023 Gemini Jets, Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. As real as it gets. You got the details here. Beautiful. I've already checked the inside to ensure that this aircraft is at least in the box. 767-400ER. Here is all the information here you need to know. Can't believe they finally made this. I'm very excited because I just need more, more realistic aircraft on my layout, and the 767-400 obviously does that. Obviously, I will be getting this in the Evil Blue and also the brand new Delta. I decided not to get the Heritage, the older Delta, because I just would rather spend the money on a newer Delta livery, because I know there's only so many 767-400ER liveries in the world. Basically, yeah. So let's get to it here. So first off, let's set this down. And then we have the Asiana A380. As I'm running LAX Airport, Asiana is flying the A380 LAX here and there, and also the A350, but honestly, you can't have the best of both worlds, but sometimes you can. But, alright guys, let's open this up. There's the beautiful Asiana A380. Finally, been waiting so long to get this model. But obviously, once you have it, you have it, and obviously you're good for a long time, so. Specifications. Let's check this box is huge, guys. There's only one 400. 2022 Gemini Jets Las Vegas. That's okay. This is a beautiful model. So I'm glad this was made in 2022, I guess, versus later. But we even got the UNICEF on there. That's cool. Didn't expect to have that on there. Every little detail counts, guys. Every little detail counts. All right, everyone. Let's start with the brand new 767-400ER from Gemini Jets. Beautiful model here. Let's get into the packaging. Look at that. Try to get the packaging off here. There we go. There's the bottom. Let's just set it down for now. Let's get a good angle on that. Holy cow, guys. I have a 767-400ER. This is incredible. Very nice details. Obviously, it's an older livery, but here it is. Amazing tail, amazing details. Let's check out the bottom here again. Got the engines. Sorry guys, gotta get a focus here. Inlets here, you got the tail. Awesome. Gemini Jets, of course, and you have a spot obviously to mount that for takeoff and landing. That's gonna look really awesome. But overall, looks like a pretty awesome model. Could give you guys more details, but I know that you guys can, basically see yourself. Nice tails on it, or antennas. You got the Wi-Fi antennas too. There you go, guys. Let's go ahead and get the Asiana A380 unboxed. All right, guys, here it is on the layout. It's looking pretty good. Nice shot of it here of the box. All right, guys, here is the Asiana Airways A380-800. Let's go ahead and get it open. Massive whale here. HL7640. All right, let's hope it's all together here, so if I want to break it. All right, guys. Here is the massive A380. Again, very excited to have this. Very beautiful airplane here. Also got the UNICEF right there. That's awesome. It's a nice added detail. Maybe that's always been there, but oh well, I'm now noticing that, and that is amazing. Nice little detail to have. Very unique looking A380, of course. Hope they fly these for a long time. Here's the front of it here. Get a good focus here. There's the engines. Obviously, it ain't 200, but it'll be a great addition to my LAX airport. And I'm going forward. I plan to get like 20 models in the next year, just to keep on keeping LAX alive. I know some other people have a lot of airplanes out there, but I plan on trying to catch up there and make it look more realistic for you guys. Here is the other side of the A380. Got some thunderstorms outside here, so you can hear the thunder. Maybe, maybe not. Overall, very detailed, nice antennas on top. Honestly, it's everything that I basically would ask for. More than I asked for. A lot of details and everything. Without further ado, let's go get these airplanes on the airport, and we'll show you guys what they look like. Here we go. Alright everyone, here is the Asiana Airlines A380 on the layout. Amazing detail, amazing aircraft. We'll be joining the fleet here very soon. Here is the box, and here it is with the box. Awesome. Alright guys, here they are together. Beautiful 767-400ER and the Asiana A380. I'd like to thank you guys again for watching today. We'll see you guys. I'd like to thank you guys again for watching today. I'm LAX Model Airport, and please subscribe for more. Also, please follow on Instagram at LAX Model Airport, and also Kahului Model Airport, as well as the other airport I run off my LAX channel, but Kahului Model Airport on Instagram if it's its own account, and LAX Model Airport 1400 on TikTok. Thank you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.